Hi, welcome to the Piha channel. After a long time, we're finally unboxing the AirPods Pro. Let's get to it. First, we'll tear off the sticker that holds the AirPods in the box. Here's the beautiful box. Let's see what we have here. We have the typical packaging from Apple. Inside, it says AirPods Pro as usual. Here are some manuals. I don't see the sticker yet. There's a manual on how to connect and set up the AirPods. Let's put this back. Now, onto the AirPods themselves. They're still nicely packed. Here's the AirPods case. We open it up. And here are the beautiful AirPods, currently lighting up thanks to the LED indicator. Let's take a closer look inside. These are spare AirPods, if I'm not mistaken. I won't disassemble them right now. Here's the power cord. It's still the Lightning version, so it's a USB-C to Lightning connector. Of course, you can also charge the AirPods wirelessly. You have a new pad for the key. And you can see that the Lightning version already has a speaker. And that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.